Sorry guys, speaking on mute. Shared my screen. Can one confirm you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thanks for confirming. Okay. So the last session I was discussing about validation part, right? How constraints will work. And then I remember how I explained sequences and then the insert command for syntaxes, right? So that's all about, the last session. I think some people has a queries. Yeah, guys, if you have any queries, yeah, you can utilize this time now. I think Kavya, you're asking something yesterday. Not sure whether you joined or not. You joined? Yeah, Kavya. Okay. Tell me, Kavya, what's your query? You there? Okay. We will circle back again. Okay. So, guys, anybody having any queries regarding validation, sequences, and insert command for syntaxes? All good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thanks, Sharon, for confirming. Others, at least can I get some thumbs up symbols if you're okay on all the concepts? Okay, so let's go with this definition first. So, what is sequence, guys? Anyone? What is sequence in SQL?
Database object.
Correct. It is a database object. And yeah, well, probably because I think I don't know who has unmuted, but yeah, give complete definition. It's a database object, and what is the purpose of it? Hey guys, can anyone? I mean, whatever the points that you remember, yeah, you can showcase now.
Auto increment of numbers.
Right. So a sequence is a database object which will provide auto increment numbers for a table primary key, right? For a table primary key. Okay. So for a primary key, if you want to generate auto increment numbers, then you have to go with the sequences. So what is the syntax of sequence? Guys, what is the
Create
syntax of
sequence name.
Hmm?
Start with increment by.
Correct. Start with an initial value and then increment by and increment value that you have to give it, right? So, okay. So that's all about, the sequences. Guys, if you really want to practice more, and I'll be
Sir,
giving,
and
yes,
types of inserting data into table. How many types?
come again, Kavya.
The types of inserting data into DB, sir.
Okay, there are four approaches, right? That's
Yes,
what
sir.
we discussed
The last
yesterday.
section is about ending with that topic.
No, no, no. Kavya, you're asking something or you're confirming something?
Confirming, sir, like the ending session, sir. The last section
Okay.
about
Okay, okay. So yes, you're confirming what was the last session. Yeah, yeah. I think that I have already covered, Kavya. But initially, I called you. Yesterday, you asked something, right? But I didn't reply to you. But if you have any questions, you can ask me now. Okay, so guys, if you know queries, then I think yeah, we are good to go for the things. Okay, right? Yeah, I was saying if you really want to practice on SQL more, one Book My Show website use cases I was sending to you today. Okay, so this is the PDF I will be sending to you. First, what you do is create a Book My Show database. Guys, don't you know how to create a database? Guys, don't you know how to create your own database?
Yes, sir, we know.
Right. And then second step, you see, you have to create six tables. See, the six tables are first table is movies. It will store only movies details. Then user profiles. It will store only user details. Screens. Okay. And bookings, payments, and shows. These are, around six tables guys you have to create. And you have to create six sequences as well. For each table, you have to create one new sequence, guys. Okay. And yeah, this is the tables, guys, how they look like. And at least try to store 3 rows in a table. Now I'll be showing the first table movies. Movies table data is this one now. You can see 501, 502, 503 are the movie IDs. And here you have to use a sequence. The sequence starts with 501. And the first movie name is Hanuman. And language is Telugu. And genre is action and fantasy. Release date. Yeah, guys, tell me this release date we have to insert manually or system date? Release date.
Manually.
Right. Now, if you see created date and modified date, what is the data type I was using here? Yes.
Timestamp.
Timestamp.
For release date. For release date.
Manual, sir.
Date.
Manual to date.
Date,
Manual
date
to
data,
date.
right? Yeah. Similarly, guys. Yeah, there's a second table. I mean, if you see screens, the second table is something screens, guys. Screen ID, theater name, location, total seats. And next, if you see, I think user profile table. This is user ID. Okay, user nothing but customers, guys. Okay, user ID is nothing but I think it's a customer. By mistakenly, it has some movie actors names, but this is something customers. User profile is nothing but. And then bookings, guys. Booking ID. Okay, and who is a user? Book the ticket. And what is the show ID? Okay, and guys, this is a foreign case. Okay, you have to be very careful. These are the foreign case. User ID should take from user's profile table. Show ID should take from the screens table. Okay. Yeah, and during booking, yeah, we have to give the seat numbers as well and the booking status also. And the last one is payments. A payment ID. Again, payment ID guys take the foreign key as booking ID. For which booking ID the payment has created. What is the amount and payment method and payment status. So these are the 6 tables, guys. You can practice it in a project perspective if you want to learn. In a project perspective you want to learn. This is a small mini project, 6 tables, guys. You can practice it. Guys, are you clear the task?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is cover everything what we discussed so far, correct? This task. Because you know no tables. You know no sequences. You know all the constraints. And you know dates. Right. I think all things, guys, will work. Whatever the topics we discuss since 1 week, everything will be covered in this task. Okay, so practice this. Okay, this is I'm leaving up to you because I don't see much people are interacting and much people are showing the interest to complete the task. I'm sure for everything you have to pay on someday, not now. So those are not practicing the things, those are not regular to the class. There is a day, yeah, you have to pay a lot. Okay, in terms of regret, I'm talking about. For those who are regular attending, yeah, you can see the fruitfulness once you start your advanced Java or Django, guys. Okay. Deva, do you have any questions for me? I can see you're
sir.
unmuted. Okay, fine. So, guys, I think we are good to go. Further things today. So far we covered tables and sequences. Okay, 2 database objects we covered, guys. Okay, two database objects we covered so far. One is a table and one is sequence. Now, as part of SQL commands in DDL, what is the shortcut I given for DDL? Shortcut. D for drop, right? R for running, and C for create, A for alter, 3 for, and what are the DML commands?
Update.
Shortcut.
Drop.
What is the shortcut?
Update, select,
UDI, right? Update,
Yes.
delete, and
Set.
insert. Correct. So, guys, out of this DDL and DML commands, we completed create command and we covered insert command. right? Full-fledgedly. These two commands we learn it, right? And today, guys, you will be learning these three commands, guys, today. Delete, drop, truncate. These three commands, guys, you're learning from scratch. Okay. If time permit, I'll go with, alter and update also. Okay. Alter and update also. First, I'll go with, these three commands, guys. So today's session is drop versus, okay, drop versus truncate versus delete. So this is something, I'll be explaining now today. I can give you a simple example before we proceeding, examples. Uh, let's take your phone contacts, guys. Your phone contacts. You want to delete a specific contact, okay? Or you want to delete, 2 to 3 contacts at a time by selecting 2 to 3 contacts. I mean, we have an option to select, right? Okay, you're clear, right? You can select a specific contact and you can delete, and you can select multiple contacts and you can delete. For that purpose, you have to use delete command. Okay, delete command is used to delete one or many rows in a table. One or many rows in a table. Now let's talk about this. In your phone contact, 250 contacts are there. 250 you want to delete at a time. Then you have to use truncate. Truncate. So truncate, delete all the rows in a table. Truncate, delete all the rows in a table. Okay. And the last one is drop. Assume in your mobile, you don't want to see any contacts. I mean, the app itself, the complete app itself, the contact app itself, you decide to delete it. That's, the drop. So what drop will do, it will delete the table from the DB. Okay. In first two cases, table will be there. When you delete one or many rows, when you delete all the rows, table will be there. Okay. Only rows will be deleted. But when you go with the drop, it will delete rows and along with the table structure also from the DB. That's theoretically first you should understand the difference between drop, truncate, and delete. Do you guys clear on theoretical portion what the commands do? Confirm quick, please. I can see your
Yes, sir.
charts.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's talk about something, a rollback use case. What is my rollback? Anyone? Hey, anyone? What is my rollback? A general meaning I'm asking.
Like after deleting, you can again.
Correct.
Recovery.
Correct. Let's say by
Recovery.
mistakenly you deleted.
A
Okay.
recovery.
And you want to get back. Yes. That possible with only delete. Okay. Okay. Let's say you deleted, your friend contact by using delete command and you can get it back. But if you use either drop or truncate, you never get the data back, guys. So rollback is applicable for only delete and it's not applicable for drop and truncate. Make sense how rollback is working?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
guys, we are done with the theoretical part. Now it's jumping to, programming part. Okay, it's, jumping to the programming part. Guys, tell me the syntax of create command to create a table. I'm asking syntax for table creation. What is the
Create
create
table
command?
name.
Create table name.
Wait. Okay, first 3 words. First 3 words are enough. Okay. Next,
Create
tell me the
table
syntax for
name.
sequence. Tell me the syntax for sequence.
Create sequence name. Start with
Okay,
increment 5.
correct. Can you guess the syntax for this? Similar way.
Drop
Similar way.
table name.
Drop.
Drop table name.
Exactly. Okay. I think this is, pretty clear, everyone. So if you use this command, the table will be deleted from the DB. So this is very simple. Okay. Drop command syntax. I think no one has any questions here. Similarly, guys, if you see the truncate syntax also, it's almost similar to your truncate command only. Same syntax as see. Truncate table name. Truncate table name. Okay. I think both comments are clear. Guys, any doubts? Any doubts
No,
up to
sir.
here?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
No,
I
sir.
was keep on telling from day one in SQL, the only typical part is remembering the syntaxes. Okay. So if you remember table creation syntax, create table name. Create sequence name. Drop table, table name. Truncate table, table name. That's it. Okay. And the last one, and this syntax little bit differ. Okay. This syntax, little bit differ. So let's talk about something, delete syntax now. Okay. Yeah. Before I jump into the syntax and coding part, I just want to show you this some slides. Okay. So guys, this is, the today topic. Yeah, I can see the first definition. If you see these three commands, all remove data, but in different ways. Now, this is a chart. We'll give a summary to you see. First, delete. It removes specific rows. Can roll back? Yes. Anyhow, we'll see the examples. Okay. Yeah. Let's talk about the second command, truncate. It remove all rows. Simply, it will make your table empty, but structure still stays. Okay. And here, guys, yeah, you cannot roll back it. Yeah, syntax we already learned it. Next, drop. It delete entire table structure permanently. I mean, you cannot get the data back. You cannot get the table back. It means you cannot roll back. Yeah, this is the syntax. Okay. Yeah. If you see real life analogy, I think already explained this. If you remove one or two contacts, you can use delete. If you want to delete all contacts, you can use delete. I mean, drop. And if you don't want to use the entire app, you want to delete it from your phone, you can use drop. Okay. I think guys, everyone good. And the only thing you should know, sir, how delete syntax will work. Yeah, the syntax is guys, delete. Yeah, I should say delete from table name. Yeah, this is a different syntax. Delete from table name. Delete from table name. And here, guys, I'll be writing something in square braces. I'll be writing something in square braces. Don't think it's array. Okay. In SQL, if I write square braces anywhere, you have to think that it's an optional statements. Optional statements. If I write anything in square braces in future, in this square braces, you remember, okay, it's optional, but this is mandatory. Delete from table name, and here, guys, we'll be writing where space something conditionless. You have to write it. Where space something conditionless. You have to write it. Okay, so it means you can consider the syntax two ways now. Okay, so syntax one is this one. Syntax one is this one. Syntax one is this one, guys. Yeah, this is the syntax one you can consider. Okay, because I just separated this. This is syntax one, guys. The syntax one is almost to equal to your truncate. What truncate will do? Hey guys, what your truncate will do?
Delete and
Deletes all the
start
data.
rows.
Correct. If you write delete from table name, if you write delete from table name, okay, your entire rows will be deleted, guys. This is equal to truncate. But sir, I want to delete specific rows. I want to delete specific rows. Then you should use the where class, guys. I can give you a few examples now. Don't quit from the class. I'm just giving example. Leave everyone from class except CSC students. Okay. Leave everyone from, leave CSC and triple E people. Leave everyone, those who got, below 60%. And one more thing, leave everyone from the class, those who not belongs to Telangana state. If you see in this, all the statements, okay, I was filtering you and deleting it, right? I was filtering you and deleting, right? For filtering process, we use a command something, where. Okay, so where is a class in SQL. This is used for filtering the rows, guys. And if you want to filter, you have to specify the condition. If you want to filter the rows, you should specify the condition. I just now explained few scenarios. Those who not belongs to, those who belongs to Telangana state, that's a filtering. And those who got percentage below 70, that's a filtering. Okay, and those who are male, yeah, that is also a condition. So that's how we'll see, guys, in an examples perspective. But I'll be discussing the where class in select command much deeper. Here I'll go with 2 to 3 examples, not more than that. But I'll go with deeper when we start select command. Okay. Yeah, this is something summary, guys. I think we are good to go, no programming part. Now let's Connect with the DB. Connect with the DB. See guys, I already loaded a lot of data into the tables. So if I delete also, I can take the data back from my notepad file. Okay. So let me check the tables. Yeah, I have the tables now. Let's check data in with EMP. With EMP. Okay. Now guys, I want to delete this table from the DB. Help me the command.
Drop table with CMP.
Correct. Drop table with EMP. Okay. Hit. See guys, you get a message table is dropped. Right. And after drop, run a select command. It will scold you. Okay. You can see the message. Array, your table does not exist because you already deleted from the DB. Also, you can check select star from tab. Yeah, you cannot see the list. Okay. So this is something you want to drop. Okay. Now guys, let's talk about this table now. Let's talk about this table now. Yeah, which CMP is another table we created yesterday, right? Now, how many rows are there? 3 plus 2, 5, right? Now, 5 rows I want to delete at a time. Help me the command.
Truncate table with CMP1.
Correct. Truncate table with EMP1. I think spelling is wrong. Right. Yeah. See, guys, your table gets truncated. Now, if you want to verify, run a select command. So, select command is working without any error, but a message you can see no rows are selected. Okay. So, I think, guys, any queries? I know they're very small, but any queries?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, let's talk about something, your delete command. Okay, let's talk about, your delete command now. So let me get the data back again. I'll go my SQL queries. I think yesterday I have shown you the insert commands, right? So I'll run the insert command in second table because first table I have deleted, right? So yeah, we'll practice delete command here. Okay. Okay, guys, now if you run your select the command, select star from which EMP1, now you can see, I think, yeah, 4 rows. Yeah, maybe, you have a 4 rows. That's okay. Now, guys, as I explained, delete command, you can delete specific rows. Let's focus on specific rows. Now, I want to delete IT department row, guys. I want to delete IT department row. Okay. Guys, do you remember the syntax?
Sure.
Go ahead.
Delete from
Yeah, delete from table name.
with CMP1.
Yeah, delete from table name. I was keep on telling, remembering the syntax is difficult here. Okay. I delete from which AMP.
Where
Where? Yeah.
S number
So,
equal to
yeah.
104.
Wait. Here you have to filter. Now I know the filter is difficult to you because you don't know the much programming. Sir, how to write the filtering? Sir, so my requirement is I want to delete this one. Now guys, total column, if you see the values, total column, if you see the are they can be duplicate? Are they can be
Sir,
duplicate? Now, if I set total equal to 100, hey, I was not running the query. Okay, if I run this query, do you really think that this row is related with this query? I mean, you are checking as total equal to 100. It's not assigning. You're checking total equal to 100. Now, guys, do you really think that this row will be deleted? Or other rows also deleted?
other rows also deleted.
Other rows also delete.
See, I have 4 rows, I know it. Let's say I have, 10 rows. In 10 rows, assume, 3 of the rows having the same total, 100 count. Then definitely that row is also deleted because you're filtering total equal to 100. So this is the wrong filtering. Okay. Guys, are you following why this is a wrong filter?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay, nice. Now let's talk about second column name. Just tell me that the department names. let's say if I write something, name equal to IT. Now, do you really think that only one row will be deleted?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Multiple rows will be.
No. See, if we given the department name is unique and ordinal, correct?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
It
instead
means
of writing name, we can write S number.
no, man. I was explaining all the use cases. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
I
sir. Yes,
know
sir.
the best feasibility is serial number, but the one who are the freshers. Okay, they should know, right, which one is a bad filter, which one is a good filter, correct?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So
Yes,
that's
sir.
what I was taking you. Okay, because I want to select only one row. Now, if I give it name equal to IT, yeah, there is a possibility definitely one row will be picked. And because we given name column is not null and unique, definitely this row will be picked and this row will be deleted. This is the one way. This is a one way. But is it primary key? The answer is no, right? The answer is no, right? Then in that case, if you want to always pick one row, if you want to always pick only one row through filter and you want to delete it, then always you have to go with something primary key column only. So this is your primary key and the value is 104. Then in that case, only one row will be selected and that row will be deleted. See guys, you get a message, one row is deleted. And if you do select start from which CMP, yeah, that row gets deleted. And here I'm sure you have a doubt. Sir, you deleted, but later you realize that this row is required for you. Can we get this data back?
Rollback, sir.
Yes, sir. We can do rollback.
Correct. But I was not discussing what is rollback and save point and all. There's a separate session is there for TCL command. There I'll discuss more. Okay. But here there's a possibility that you can get data back. Yeah, there's a possibility. Okay. I was not covering now. Okay, that piece. Now guys, let's focus. One more filter now. One more filter now. I want to delete all faculties. I want to delete all faculties whose total count is below 30. Whose total count is whose total, I mean, to whose department number of people is less than 100. That's my filter. Again, same command, delete from, sorry, yeah, delete from with CMP. Now, guys, where, yeah, I know, again, it's difficult for you. What should I write? The condition. The condition is, this one, right? Total is less than 100 I given. Guys, I know, by looking them, they are easy. Okay, but if I ask you if you want to write your own, it's difficult because you don't know what this operator. It's a relational operator. Okay, that's what I was explaining, right? In select command, I'll be discussing this more. Okay, but yeah, guys, if you read it like English language, you can understood. See, delete from table name where total less than 100. Less than 100 means how many rows?
2 rows.
Right. So total less than means first it will go here. Your total is 15. Is 15 is less than 100? 15 is less than 100?
Yes,
Row will
sir.
be deleted.
Yes, sir.
You should say true or false. You should say true or false.
True, sir.
True, sir.
How?
Sir.
10 next row is 10 is less than 100.
True,
True,
sir.
sir.
200 is less than 100.
False.
False.
For how many rows you got true?
Two rows.
Two rows.
Two
Now
rows.
run it. You can see 2 rows are deleted. I hope this is clear, everyone. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
if you run it, guys, you can see single row. Now, what happened, ma? If I not write the where class, what will happen?
All the
The
rows will be
entire
deleted.
rows will be
Three rows.
This is similar to
deleted.
So
20.
yeah, we don't know how many rows are deleted, but yeah, one row will be deleted because I have only one row here. So that's all about delete, drop versus truncate. Guys, I think this is crystal clear, everyone. And if you really want more content, yeah, I'm sending you at 3 pages of PDF notes for you. You can send it. See, you mean just to go through it, okay? Because almost I covered everything. But this the summary of the 3 comments, guys. If you see first delete, is it remove rows? Yes. Truncate also remove rows? Yes. Drop, yeah, it remove rows along with your table. Now where
Structure.
class? Yes, where class? Is it where class applicable to delete? Yes. For filtering, you can do with only delete. You cannot filter for truncate. You cannot filter for drop. Okay. So that's, the statement it is. Next, can roll back? Yes. Delete can roll back, but truncate and drop cannot roll back. And here, guys, which one is fast? See, delete is slow, guys. The reason is it will delete row by row, right? It will delete, row by row. Just imagine in your phone book, if you want to delete 10 rows, what do you need to do first? With your finger, you have to select 10 rows, right? That's what it is a little bit slow. But truncate, yeah, it's very fast, guys. Directly, you have an option there. Select all, delete, right? In your phone book. That's, it's very fast. Even drop also very fast. Now, which commands will remove the table? Delete won't remove, truncate won't remove, but drop will remove the table from the DB. Now, which one will make the structure as it is? Yeah, delete and truncate does not touch the your structure, whereas drop will touch the structure, nothing but delete the structure. I hope this is crystal clear, everyone. Drop, delete, truncate. Any queries? Any queries?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Nice. Nice. Okay, cool. I think, we are good to go, the next two commands then. Yeah, I'll be discussing now alter versus update now. Okay, alter versus update. Guys, what do you notice in delete command? What do you notice with and without where class? What do you notice? Hey, what do you notice? With and without where class, what do you notice?
Sir, with
Without
where
where
class?
Hmm? Yes,
With
go ahead.
with where class, then we can particular rows can delete, but without where class we can use totally whole rows can delete it.
Right. Avarna. I mean, am I calling your name properly? Sorry if I'm calling in a wrong way.
No, sir.
Okay, nice. So yeah, you're absolutely correct. Okay. So with where class, we are filtering rows and giving to the delete command. Hey, delete. I already filtered it. Please delete them. Without where means, yeah, you're not filtering it. Hey, delete everything. That's what we are telling to delete commands. Okay. The reason why I'm explaining where class, because I'll be using the same command here also now. I mean, during update command. Okay. Okay. First of all, guys, we'll go with alter versus, update now. Okay. Alter versus update. Let me give you one use case now. Let's pick one table. Yeah. Let's take this table. Okay, this is very big. Let's take this. Or yeah, let's take this. Okay, guys, if you see now, this table has wait. Yeah, this table has two parts, guys. Okay. This table has totally, the two parts, not this, any table if you see. This is we have to call it as metadata. Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir. Data about data. Yes, sir.
Correct. And this is we have to call it as data. Okay.
Or
And metadata nothing but columns, right? Yeah, metadata nothing but columns, data nothing but your
row.
rows or records or tuples or whatever the term that you can use it. Okay, I think this is clear, everyone. I believe. Okay, the metadata and data and columns and just you can remember columns and rows. Now the requirements, guys. If you see this table, how many columns are there? How many columns are there?
3.
Now I want to add an extra column. Are you clear the requirement? Are you clear the requirement?
Yes, sir.
I want to add an extra column. Now, sir, I want to drop an existing column. Are you following? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
following?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, I have a table with 3 columns. I want to add an extra column as a business and as per new business requirement. Now, I want to delete or drop an existing column. Let's say department ID is not required or name is not required. Okay, so that's the second use case. And the third requirement is, so if you see the first column name is ID, right? Okay. And I want to rename an existing column name. I want to, rename an existing column. Hey, renaming is nothing but column name is ID, right? I want to rename to FID. Okay. FID. I want to rename to FID, or I want to rename to serial number. Then, yeah, that's a one more requirement. Let's get into the one more last requirement. That is something, I want to, let's say this name is there, na? Name. Do you remember for name column, what's the data type I given?
Varchar 2
Varchar.
or varchar.
Varchar. Size 10, I think, correct? I
10,
recall.
10.
10. And what is the constraint we're giving? Not null, right?
Not null.
Not null, sir.
Take the two use cases. One is I want to modify a column size. I want to modify the column data type size. I given 10, but later I can see some people are having their name more than 10 letters. That's the first use case. And I want to change the constraint also. Yeah. Initially I given not null. Right now I decided to give unique. That kind of use case. We use something, a command called something, alter. So guys, if you want to modify your column information, okay, here the place you have to use something, alter command. So alter, use it to modify metadata, nothing but column information in the table. I'll repeat, alter, use it to modify metadata or column information in the table. Nothing but you can add an extra column, you can drop an existing column, you can rename an existing column, you can modify the column size, you can modify the column constraints. That all under you can do by using alter command. This is, alter. Now you have a doubt, sir. What about, your update now? The update command. Yeah, I think now you understood. So the update is used to modify your rows, modify the row information. Let's take a simple use case. Tarun want to change his name. Tarun wants to change his name to Sai Tarun. And Tarun want to update his department ID. Tarun wants to update his department ID to CSC to some other department. Initially given wrong, and now he was decided to modify it. In that case, again, we have to use something update command. So alter is for modifying column information. Update is to modify row information, guys. Okay, so this is something about alter and update. Okay, and one more very important thing here is whenever you use alter, whenever you use alter, I already given upper cases here, some words, upper cases words. That upper cases words are nothing but subcommands for the alter. Alter has four subcommands. Alter has four subcommands. Okay, four subcommands. Alter add, alter drop, alter rename, alter modify. So okay, these four ways we have to use based on your use case. Alter add we can use to add a column. Alter drop we can use to remove an existing column. Alter rename you can use renaming the column. Alter modify, you can resize the columns. That's alter has four subcommands. And yeah, the syntax and example we'll discuss right away. But theoretically, guys, everyone good. The difference between alter and update. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
I can see your charts. Can I get some thumbs up
Sir.
symbols, please? Okay, let me ask you a question. You changed your WhatsApp DP. Okay, tell me, is it alter do or update do?
Updated, sir.
Yes, update will do it. Right? Okay, nice. You remember initially when we use WhatsApp, there's no concept of status, correct? WhatsApp has only, text kind of information you can send. Later, they introduce a new feature called something, status. I think but they has to add a one extra column, something, status to the existing table. Then that's part of
Add, sir.
alter add. Okay, I should say alter add. Okay, alter add. Okay.
Sir,
I think, I'm Yes.
Sir,
Y-
alter is worked on columns and update is worked on rows, right?
Correct. Correct. That's what the summary. Yes, you're right, Vinod. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I have some slides to show you on this. Yeah. Let's spend some time. See, these two sound similar, but do very different things. You understood, right? Yes, you understood, right? Right.
Yes, sir.
Let's talk about the differences. See, guys, alter. So what it will do? It change the table structure, right? It change the table structure. It's completely, works on table columns, right? And now if you see update, it changes the data inside the table, right? Nothing but your rows, and it modify the existing values. It won't touch your structure. It will touch your table data only. Okay. I think this is also clear, everyone. Okay. Yeah, and yeah, so the examples anyhow we'll be practicing now. Just ignore it. Okay, we'll be practicing now. The syntax and example will be practicing now. So first, I'll go something alter command, and then we'll be go update command. Okay, so what is the table that we have shown you just now? Faculties, right? Let's take a new table today. Okay, I'll take a new table now quickly. So assume guys, I have already have a table. The table name, let's say something, flights. Okay. I'll be writing the query for you. Okay. Create table flights. Okay. Flight ID is there. Flight ID is there with primary key constraint. Okay. And the flight number is there. Flight, I should say, yeah, F number. Nothing but flight number. Flight number. Okay. Flight number. I'll give in something, number data type. And
Destination.
let's take it something, no. I don't want to go, much column. Let's make it as only not now. And let's say capacity, nothing but how many people can travel. Let's say number. Let's say number. That's it. The intentionally I created the table this way. So guys, this is something now I created a table now. Okay. Let's run this. Let's run this and see. See, your table gets created. And if you want to see its schema, okay, if you want to see its schema, you have to use desk command, right? So desk command will give its, schema, nothing but structure base. Okay, schema, nothing but structure. Don't get confused. So if you see ID, number, and capacity, if you see. Now, guys, it's already working in projection. Now you got a new requirement. The requirement is something, you want to add an extra column. Okay, you want to add an extra column. This is the first requirement. Okay, this is, the first requirement. And let's say one more requirement is you have to drop capacity column, or let's say okay, I'll go with this way. Add extra columns like created and modified, because we face this right, now drop an existing column, nothing but capacity like 120 the capacity column. Okay, and my bad, I have not given a name, but yeah, I can do this. See, the next one is I want to rename ID to FID. Nothing but column name, I want to change it. Column name, I want to change it. And the next one is I want to modify. If you see flight number, I given only not null constraint, right? Right. But I decided to give unique also because I don't want to allow duplicate flight numbers. So then modify faculty number to unique as well. Unique as well. Unique constraint. So I want to add this constraint as well. So this is something, guys, my requirements. Now tell me which command I have to use, alter or update.
Alter, sir.
Alter.
Alter table
Hmm.
name. And
Wait. The syntax I'll give you. The syntax, guys, alter table name, as you said, correct? Perfectly. Alter table name. And here you have to use your sub commands, guys. Yeah, how to use your subcommands. What are the 4 subcommands? Add,
Add, drop,
Add,
rename,
drop,
modify.
rename, modify.
exactly. And guys, here, you should pass your column information. You should pass, your column information. I'll tell you how to pass the column information. So maybe I can write in lowercase so that you can understand. So guys, alter table name. Here you have to say your table name. And these are the 4 subcommands you can use it. And here guys, you can give the column information. So we'll go with, one by one example now. Yeah, guys, you can start, uh, tell the queries and I'll write the query, and if any correction, I'll tell you. Yeah, this is the first requirement. Tell me guys, how to write the query. Guys, you know
Alter
the sentence.
table,
Alter.
Alter
table,
table flight.
flight,
Okay.
Add.
Which subcommand I have to use?
add,
Add. Wait. Now you have to give column information, right? You remember when you are using this create command to create a table, okay, create table name you'll write, and in parenthesis, what the shortcut you will use?
CDC.
This is
Exactly. That you have to write it here. Okay, that you have to write it here. Okay. If you want to add a columns, hey guys, if you have more than one column, yeah, it's recommended. Yeah, if you use this one also, that's fine. Okay, yeah, go ahead, guys. As per my requirement, what columns I have to add it. CDC is a shortcut that you have to remember here. Go ahead. What is the column name?
Created,
created.
modified.
Created. Okay. D for
Date.
good.
System date.
CDC. Correct. Sysdate. I don't know how many of you guys are practicing. Those who are practicing, yeah, this is the answer I was expected. Nice. Next. Modified.
Date,
System date.
You know, right? Why we are writing this all? You know, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, guys, just ran the command. Ran the command. Okay. I think what it is taking. Oh, my bad. We are missing the main keyword, man. Default. Right. We were missing it. Should not miss now. We are giving, a default system, that's right. Okay. Right. So guys, see, your table is altered. See the message? Your table is altered. And again, ran the desk command for verification. See, the 2 extra columns are added. Earlier 3, now 2 are added. Make sense? Guys,
Sir.
make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Help me the second one. Hey guys, second one.
Sir,
This is my requirement.
instead of using default, we can't define, we don't want to use default value. Is it correct?
Come again?
Sir, why we are using default? Is it mandatory to use default value there?
You have
Default
to-
sysdate.
You have to tell me, guys. For this, I don't have answers. I think I was expecting an answer from audience. Anyone, please summarize or answer for this question. I don't want to give the answer for this. Please. He was asking,
So right
is
to
it
doesn't
mandatory?
Contain rows will be updated.
system dates. So use
Hmm.
default.
Correct. See, in general, if you see flights, when flight is created, okay, this created and modified it automatically takes system dates, right? That's the reason we are using sysdates. If you ask me, is it mandatory? Yes. For created it, modified it, it's mandatory. Let's say if you have other column, okay, in a flight table, let's say if you have another column, something, price or fare. For fare, yeah, if you want to add a fare column, yeah, the system entry is not required, right? Sorry, the default is not required. You just say fare, number, not null. And if you hit check, that's it. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. For created it, modified it, always its structure is same. For other column, that's all, based on your business use case, okay? Yeah. Yeah, guys, go ahead. Second. You have a syntax and you have a requirement. Try. Man, you can try, man.
Drop alter table
No,
table name.
man.
Drop
No.
table.
No. You're not following the syntax. First, you
Alter
should write always
table.
alter table name. Always.
Yes, sir.
Always you have to write alter table name. Then you have to use subcommands.
Drop.
Drop.
Yes. You understood right now? Hey guys, you understood
Yes,
right
sir.
now
Yes,
this?
sir.
Always you have to write alter table name. And as per the use case, you have to write your subcommands. What is the subcommand? I use drop. Draw space case, just say your column name. So your column name is capacity, right? Just say capacity. Drop capacity. That's it. You need to do it. Let's run this. Sorry, I think I
Capacity
was
member.
in mistake. Yes,
Column keyword.
yeah. You should use a column keyword, ma. Because for Oracle to some MySQL databases, some slider changes you can see. Yeah, as you can see, your table is altered. If you want to verify, still you can use same desk command. Now you can see we have 4 column. That's what's deleted. Okay, this is something how to delete the uh, extra columns. I mean, the existing columns. Guys, try the third one. I'm sure you can try now.
Alter table
Alter table
flight.
flights.
Mhm.
Rename.
Rename.
Yes, rename.
ID2.
Also, in a, like it's an English language, guys. If you see,
Yes.
it's like it's
FI.
your English language. See, okay. Now, if you see, read it, alter table name, rename, ID2, serial number. I think this is also expecting a column keyword, if I'm not wrong. Yes. Sorry, guys, my bad. I was little confused for Oracle and MySQL because in MySQL we won't use it. In Oracle we use it. Yeah, as you can see, table is altered. Now, if you want to verify, use the desk command. Now, guys, earlier if you see the call name is ID, now we rename to serial number. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the last requirement. Try, please. Last.
Alter table
Table
flight.
flights.
Mm,
Modify.
Modify.
Guys, here you have to use a CDC shortcut again. CDC. For add and modify, use a CDC shortcut. Yeah. What is the column name? F number, no. Hey, my requirement is
Yes,
yeah, I have
number.
to add the unique constraint, right? Mm. Modify F number and the data type is number you given and the constraint now you decided to give something unique, right? You decided to give something unique. And if you really want to give a size also, let's say 10 digits. Okay, the flight number, assume you should give 10 digits. Modify faculty number, size to 10, and add unique constraint. Let's say this is a requirement.
Sir,
Okay.
adding column to modify. Like column keyword. Is it necessary?
No, ma. I'm 100% sure. For only these two column is required. I think for modify it's not required. Okay. Let's run this. Yeah. See, guys, our table is altered now. Okay. Now use the desk command. Now you can see earlier your flight number. Okay, just number, but now we given a size. Okay. And earlier for flight number you have a not null already. Now also not null is there, but extra you added something, unique. It means before this command, you can store duplicate flight numbers also. But after this command, yeah, this flight table does not allow duplicate flight numbers because you added a unique constraint. So this is something, alter command syntax and example, guys. Is anybody having any doubts?
No,
Guys, all good?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think the last one that you need to know is something update command. Right. Update command. What is the difference between alter and update? I was not explaining today. Okay.
Alter is used to update whole table,
Alter
and
is used
update
to
is
modify
used for
column information.
Don't prolong it, guys. Very simple. Okay. Alter
Update
is to
is to
modify the
column
yeah.
information.
Alter is to modify the column information. Nothing but add, drop or rename or modify. Whereas update is related to
Row information.
correct. Right.
No information.
You can delete the rows. Now the syntax, guys. If you see, I'll just go with the syntax. And anyhow, tomorrow we'll practice it. Tomorrow, we can practice it. But you have to buy hard the syntax. The syntax is, guys, update table name. Okay. Update table name. Uh, update table name. Guys, please remember the syntax in 3 lines.
Column name equal to
Uh, mm, mm. Remember the syntax in 3 lines. 3 lines. Update syntax you have to remember in 3 lines. So the first line is update your table name. Second line is you can just set
column
your column one name equal
equal
to
to value.
new value. Okay, so you should say always say new value because update means you're expecting to store a new value, right? So yeah, column one name equal to new value, comma, column two equal to new value, so on you have to write it. And finally, guys, again you have to write the where class inside the square braces. And here, guys, you have to mention the condition. Now, can one guess why I written where class inside the square braces? Already I discussed
For
this.
a specific row.
Correct. What if I not write where class?
It update all the values
All the rows.
in
Correct.
the
If
table.
the table has 1 lakh rows, if you miss to write where class, the 1 lakh rows will be updated. Okay, but if you win 1 lakh, if you want to select 1 row or 10 rows or 100 rows, you can filter by using where class and then set command will give new values to it. So how this commands will work with example, I'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, that's all for today. Any queries? Okay then, guys. Bye everyone. Good night.